So today we are going back. We are doing a hair video.
Yeah. It looks so nice, Denise.
Ah!
I love it. Oh my god.
Hey guys!
Welcome back to our channel. How's everybody doing?
We hope you guys are having a lovely day. For those of you that are new here, my name is Denise.
My name is Sosina.
So today we are going back. We are doing a hair video. We did one of these when we first started. I haven't done one since.
But we got a request from Mary. This is for you, especially you.
Yes, thank you so much for your comment. It was so sweet. Mary commented that she wants to see more of those hair videos, so we're gonna do this for you. We are going to do the two braids, pigtails that you requested. I've actually seen this a lot on TikTok.
She's been talking about them. But
I actually have.
yeah.
I've seen like a few people. Carla, one of the YouTubers that I watch, she has like really cool style and she does so much like fun things with her hair. So she's actually done it and I've really liked it on her. On me, I don't know how it's gonna look. I don't know if I have like the personality to pull it off, but we're gonna try. I'm excited to see how it looks.
Because you have a long hair too, I think it will look good.
Oh yeah, my hair is long.
Yeah, you're gonna be like with them on the braids.
Yeah, so Sosa's gonna do it. Yeah.
We're just gonna get right to it. I know how to braid, but like this, I never done it. This is my first time, but like I think it's like easy. You just part it in two and then just braid it.
She's good at, she's really good at parting it. That's what, if you guys haven't watched, I'll actually put that first hair tutorial we did in the description. She's really good at like parting it, sectioning it off, and that's what really will make the hairstyle. Whenever I try to do these things, I just don't part it properly. It's hard on yourself too.
Yeah, it's hard.
And that's what really changes it.
Yeah. Now we're just gonna part it in two, like from the middle. I just part it in two. That's how it looks. Her hair is long. How it looks. It has to be like perfect in two.
Just down the middle?
Yeah, down in the middle, that's it.
Don't mind my hair, guys. I am in between washes. I'm really trying to like take better care of it because it's so long. I haven't cut my hair in like the last time it was.
But your hair is getting better now.
I think last December I cut it. So like a year. But I've been using the Olaplex. So we posted a Sephora haul and I got the Olaplex, like the full system in that haul. And I talked about like the process and I've been doing that and I've seen such a change in my hair. I've done it like 2 or 3 times now, but already the ends look so much better. I want to do a comparison video after it's been like a few months because there's actually a clip from one of our hauls and that was one of the hauls we did. My hair looked so damaged when I was doing a try on of a skirt and it's ever since I saw that video that I was like, you know, I need to do something and trying to be more serious with my hair. So I've been doing the Olaplex. I'm not washing it as much. So I am in between washes, but like it's fine. It has a little bit of oil, but it's really not bad. Now I'm at the point where like, it's just like an update. Like when she's putting it up now, it looks totally fine. It's bad to wash your hair every day.
It is bad.
Yeah, and I've already seen such a change in my hair. So I think what I'm doing is working and I'm building up a good tolerance. Before I had to wash my hair every day. That's how oily it got. But slowly, and especially like the quarantine in March helped with that. I'm slowly like starting to wash it less and less. I think 2 times a week is like a good number.
Just like to use the comb because the comb gets everything. See?
Does it look
When
better?
it's like tight.
Yeah, that's a good height.
Yeah, when it's tight, it's like pointy.
See, you do a good job. You get it very tight, sleek. I'm interested to see how this is gonna look because
Now I want to see it.
my hair's so long, so I think it's gonna look, and my hair's thinner. So some of the girls, like the girl's picture that we're looking at, her hair's a lot thicker. You can tell in the braid. My hair's super thin and long, so it's gonna be a different look. We'll see. It's
That's
pretty
it. I
straightforward.
tried it. I like using because the brush, it doesn't get all the hair straight. I like using this one, but this is the brush. I always use this because it gets the hair like everything straight. I like using this first to get all the hair up. Hoping it's gonna look the same.
That's pretty easy. You just basically put it into pigtails. I think the most important part is parting it properly.
Yeah, and then the one thing you have to tie it just to stay like, you know, pointy.
Very tight.
Very tight. I know what I heard that. But I think like half of your hair is more. Your left is like a lot.
I balded more on that side though.
No, I think it's like that. You know, my one eye is small and then the other eye is big.
Is that
That's
a thing?
how
You
I
have more
found
hair
out.
on one side?
Huh? Yeah, I think it's like this.
Maybe this side of my head is bigger. That's why there's more hair.
No.
Because there's more surface.
No, look at it. It's more hair. That's it. Oh my god, you look so cute, Denise. You should do it. No, actually. You don't like
I
it?
already get. Everyone tells me I look innocent, and now if I go out like this, imagine at the grocery store.
No, whatever she does
Like,
with her
do you
hair,
please?
whatever she does with her hair, it looks so nice. No, you should do it often, Denise. I like it.
Maybe I will.
With sweatpants, you know? And that's one.
We're gonna do a little Instagram.
And then I
Photo
just
shoot.
like,
Okay, so we're gonna do this for some of the pictures.
yeah. I part it in 3. And just like boxing braid, like braid it. It's easy. Braid
You just one over the other.
yeah. I like it more like loose, because if you tie it, it's gonna be like skinny. When it's loose, like it's bigger, you know?
She's really good. I don't know how. She goes all the way to the bottom. So she also French braids. If you guys want to see a video, that's like one thing I can't do. So maybe we should do like an in-depth tutorial. I know this one, there's not a lot of instructions because it's pretty straightforward. You just put your
Yeah,
hair
just
up.
part it and then that's it.
But maybe we should do like an in-depth French braid because she knows how. But like one thing is she goes all the way to the bottom. I don't know how. I always stop with like this much hair because it just gets too, you know, everything's different length.
It looks nice. I love it. And then I like tying it at the bottom. I like it tying it at the bottom because it's just gonna keep opening, you know? It looks so nice, Denise.
Ah!
You like it?
Yeah.
I never thought it was gonna be like that.
Damn.
Damn, girl, you popular with this hairstyle.
So here's the final.
I like pulling the edges. I'm like edgy girl. I don't know what about Denise, but it looks so nice. No, I actually love it.
I
It's
love
like
it
something.
too.
I'm gonna do this all the time for you.
Ooh!
Oh,
well,
like,
guys,
like even like this, like tie it around like this.
stay tuned.
Like this. Like this.
Oh yeah, I'm not as crazy about that. That gives me like Princess Layla vibes.
No, because they do it. Like, you know, she done it.
I'm not crazy about this one. Let us know in the comments if you guys.
I do like
it
this. I like it like this.
I really
Oh
like
my
it.
god! I didn't know that it's gonna come out like this. Cause she always told me about that girl, that Carla girl.
I like her
It's
hairstyles.
not gonna look good with us. No, but like.
I keep telling her, Sos puts limits on herself. She's always like, no, that doesn't go with me. No, I can't do that. Like, that won't look good on me. And I'm like, no. Guys, if you're like that too,
looks so nice.
don't put limits on yourself. You can do anything. You can pull off anything. Don't put limits.
I love it. Oh my god. Should I come?
We're FaceTiming my sister. I'm gonna be in the video. What do you think? Do I look cute?
Yeah.
That's my sister, everyone. She's sleeping. Good little girl going to bed at 8:30. You don't think
It
of...
looks like the girl from Spy Kids that gets her hair pulled and it goes.
No.
I think it looks so cute, Alyssa. You don't like it? I would totally go in public like this. You don't like it? So that was our little hair tutorial. Let us know what you guys think in the comments.
Me, I love it. Now I'm gonna force her to do it every time.
Yeah, now I just like it's inspired me now. Like I want to have fun with the hairstyles.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Mary, for that comment. It's because of you that we tried this.
Yeah, we would never try it. If she didn't say that, we would not.
Yeah, so thank you so much. We're gonna start doing more hairstyles. So if you have more ideas, let us know. We hope you like the video.
We post like every
Oh, update. Yeah, we post every other day now. So instead of the Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we're doing every other day.
Like this week 4 video, next week 3 videos.
Yeah, we're super consistent. December's coming up. Let us know if there's any videos you guys want to see from us.
Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, show some love, and we'll see you in the next video.